What's up, everyone? It's a beauty day and we are headed out lake trout fishing. We're going to a lake that I have ice fished before, but we haven't got the boat in there, and I'm going on a bit of an adventure with my brother-in-law. It's my birthday. We're gonna try to make her a laker. Stick with us. Bottoms up. I'll let you know if I mark anything. Grab the net. Yes, baby. Knew it. Dude, I was staying all over that fish. Hold on here. Bring him in here.
Awesome.
We have been all over fish, right? Easy.
Beautiful, man. For here, that's beautiful fish.
Nice. Open up that live well there. We're gonna keep this one. The hook was just underneath his mouth there, so got some birthday trout right here. Beauty. Lots of room for him in that Lund live well. Yes. That felt good. We have stayed all over those fish all morning. Man, that's tough to get one to go, but we've done it. It was worth the boat ride in here. That certainly feels like another. Dude, I'm stoked, man. It's been that 40-50 foot mark. Yes. There we go. That's a better one. Yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah! Nice. Bring him in here.
That's a big one.
Nailed it. Listen to him burp. Beauty. Yes, babe. Do you want one to eat too?
Oh, we're good.
Nice. Off we go. Yes, man.
Right on.
Buddy.
That's what all that trolling's worth.
Well, dude, we spent the better part of 2 hours trolling around this morning, and for what?
Like trolling, that's what you need to do.
You just gotta hunt for it, man. Dude, I knew it was gonna be worth it if we could get in here.